What's the meaning of Christmas cake? Christmas cake. Christmas cake.
Christmas cake. Christmas cake. A Christmas cake is a type of fruitcake, typically made with dried fruits, spices, and nuts, that is traditionally served during the holiday season in many countries around the world. It is often made weeks or even months in advance to allow time for the flavors to mature. The cake is typically decorated with icing and festive decorations such as holly leaves and berries. In some cultures, it is also customary to hide a small trinket or coin inside the cake, and whoever finds it is said to have good luck in the coming year.